What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the 3-spot giveaways. So what we got here? Where did I list it? Yeah. So we got two winners here. One winner, the person on top, is going to get a Phil Esposito autograph stamp and a James Neal Future Watch auto. This person that lands in second after 3 times will get $25 in group break credit. As you can see, the two prizes right here, plus group break credit. Where am I right now? Oh yeah, I just searched for this. So I'm just gonna do this one. I'm not gonna do timestamps and stuff like a Raz because I mean it's free, right? 622, 622. We got all the three guys. We got Bomb, Chris Ryan, LaBarge, Samich times 2, and Bev Beaton. We're going 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Chris Ryan gets the James Neal and Esposito autograph. Bomb gets the $25 in credit. Congrats, guys.